Hello! Welcome back to another German lesson for beginners. Today we'll be tackling one of the most essential skills in German, counting. We're going to learn to count from 1 to 100. Learning numbers is a key part of mastering any language, and you'll find it super helpful in many everyday situations, like shopping, telling time, asking for prices, or even giving your age. Let's start with the numbers 1 to 10. Repeat after me and pay attention to the pronunciation. Let's start with 0. Null, 0. Eins, 1. Zwei, 2. Drei, 3. Vier, 4. 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10. Which numbers do you think are the trickiest? 5 and 7 can be a little bit difficult. The umlaut on the U in 5 gives it that unique sound. Don't say 5, but 5. And 7. Make sure you say that S like a Z, not like an S, 7, but 7. Let's look at the numbers 11 to 20. Now it's getting a little trickier. Just like in English, the numbers 11 to 20 have their own unique names. But after 20, you'll see a pattern start to form. So first we have 11, 11. 12 is 12. 13 is 13. 14 is 14. 15 is 15. 16 is 16. 17, 17. 18, 18. 19, 19. And 20. And you might notice that the numbers 13 to 19 are actually just combinations of the first 9 numbers plus 10, which means 10. For example, 13 means 310, and 15 means 510. It's like the numbers are switched around. The only exceptions are 11, 11, and 12, 12, which are irregular. In 16 and 17, the endings are shortened. Feel free to practice those numbers as many times as you need until they stick in your memory. Let's look at the patterns for the numbers 21 to 100. After 20, things get a little bit easier, but also more interesting. In German, the numbers 21 and up follow a unique but consistent pattern. Instead of saying 21 like in English, you would reverse the order and say 21 or 1 and 20. 21. So you're saying the second number first and the first number second. Let's see how this works in the 20s. 22, 22, 22. 23, 23. 24, 24. 25, 25. 26, 26. 27, 28, 29. And 30 is 30. 30. As you can see, the single digit comes first, then und, which means and then the tens digit. 20, 30, 40. This pattern repeats all the way up through the 90s and beyond. The tens numbers, now let's look at those. 40 is 40, 50 is 50, 60 is 60, 70 is 70, 80 is 80, 90 is 90. You can see it's very similar to the single digits and the IG ending, the ish. 90, 80 makes it the tens digits. And of course we have 100 is 100. Just like 20, the words for the multiples of 10 from 30 to 100 are just the same. First you have the singles digit, and then the tens digits. Let's look at a few examples. How would you say this number? 31. 31. 1 and 30. And what about this one? 45. 45. Or 58. 58. Or 92. 92. I hope this lesson was helpful, German learners. Bis bald. Auf Wiedersehen.